Hello and welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 2000 C3500 Chevy, two-wheel drive, 5.7 gas, one owner, fleet maintained by AT&T. It does have some chips and scratches. It is a work truck. Tires are in good shape. Ladder rack for extension and step ladder, water cooler holder, wire spool holder. Has a central lock here that locks all the doors. Has shelving here, and these drawers pull all the way out. Two drawers there. You get another shelf here that slides out. Another shelf here. Hooks on the top. You have a pintle hitch on the bottom. You have a cone holder on this side. And then you have storage here in the back. This side's another shelf here. Hooks inside. Shelf, same as the other one, pulls out. This has two shelves here. Manual windows, manual door locks. Seats are in good shape. No rips, no tears. Cold AC. Has 966,000 miles on it. Standard small block Chevy, 5.7.